Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well and I hope you are all good. So my name is Manuela Bow, and on this channel it's all about the Christian faith, encouragement and lifestyle. Okay, so we all know that we are in a brand new year, 2024. I'm so excited. I'm excited for you. I hope you're excited as well. And I also wanted to say, if last year didn't go the way you'd wanted it to or didn't go to plan, please do not waste your time pondering on it, going over it. And as you can tell by the title of this video, is how to make 2024 a great year and one of your best years. Number one, make sure you have a vision. Simply put, having a vision means, where do you see yourself this time next year? What do you see yourself doing this time next year? Who do you see yourself becoming and being this time next year? And once you now have that in mind, just work backwards. And with your vision, it will cause you to now highlight and identify your dreams and your aspirations. And with your dreams and aspirations, you can now put in place goals which will help you to get there. And it's very, very important to have a vision for your life, because without no vision, you'll just be walking around wayward. You won't really know where you'll be going. One thing as well that you also have to do once you have your goals is put in place a system, because it's all good having goals, but goals are the outcome, but systems are what will help you to get there. I've always had goals, and I saw myself not being able to accomplish my goals because I never had a system. So I had the goals, so I had the outcome, but how am I going to get there? I didn't have that process in place. And I'll always find myself coming to the end of the year, either spending the first 2 months really working hard at it in the best way that I can, then fall off for 4 months, and then by 6-7 months into the year try to pick it up again, then fall off, and then by the end of the year trying to rush to get everything done. And it was just a whole mess. Just to end on this point by saying, have a vision, have your goals, write down your goals, but also put in place systems. Goals meaning the outcome, systems meaning the process that will lead you to your goals. Secondly, I will say invest in yourself. And investing in yourself doesn't always mean you have to have the finances. If you do have the finances, invest in that course, buy those books, invest in that life coach, that business coach, invest in something that will really help you to learn and to grow and become wiser. You may not have the money or the means to buy the courses, go and join the memberships, or pay a life coach or a business coach, but you have YouTube University. It is free. Whatever it is that you need, whatever it is that you want to learn or become familiar or gain information of, you can find everything and anything on YouTube. Another thing as well is podcasts. There are thousands of podcasts out there. Buy books. If you don't have the money for books, you can go to a library and borrow the books for free. As a life coach, podcast, or reading books, or even YouTube University, you will find people who have been doing the things that you now want to do, or you've been trying to work in towards doing. And because they have the experience, they've been doing it for many years, you can learn from them. You can learn from their mistakes, and this is them also pouring into you for free. We invest so much in other things and other people. We invest our time and energy and even our resources in our loved ones, our friends and people around us, and we just neglect ourselves. But there's no way you can have a good 2024 if you do not invest in having the right mindset, if you do not invest in your confidence, you do not invest in the skills that you already have, and also the skills that you want to gain. So it's literally putting yourself first and giving yourself the chance, and also giving yourself permission to really fulfill all these dreams and aspirations that you have. Now is the time to put yourself first. Now is the time for you to bet on yourself, because investing in you means that you are betting on yourself, and you are worthy to bet on. You are worth it. So it's now time for you to start investing time and energy into yourself, into your dreams, into your aspirations, and what it is that you want to do and become, because you're never going to get to where you want to if you don't do that. If you always put yourself second best, if you always keep yourself on the sidelines, or you always say, oh no, let me just help other people, let me just help others build their dreams. You have dreams too. You have things as well that you want to fulfill, and there's a person that you want to become. There's also webinars, guys. There's also webinars, free webinars, where experts are literally breaking things down and giving you all the information that you need, giving you everything that you need to be able to become successful. Join them. Thirdly, how to make 2024 the best year of your life. I would say celebrate your wins and celebrate yourself often. There's no point having a vision, working towards the goals, investing in yourself, reading the books, listening to the podcast, and putting in the work. There's no point you holding yourself back from celebrating, because celebration and celebrating your wins will also give you that oomph that you need. It will make you feel good about yourself. It will make you feel good about what you're doing. It will also encourage and motivate you to keep on going and keep on pushing, because if you're just on a hamster wheel, just working, running, you're going to experience burnout and you're going to be discouraged very quickly. Make sure that you celebrate your wins, celebrate your milestones, big or small. Maybe for you, celebrating your wins may possibly be you going to a coffee shop that you've seen online and you really enjoy it, and you're a coffee lover, but you haven't made time to go there. Maybe for you, after you've hit that milestone, take yourself to that coffee shop, buy the coffee that you want to buy yourself, and sit down and just enjoy the moment. Life is also about celebration. Life is also about having fun and also having a good time. So those were the 3 points. Number 1, have a vision. Number 2, invest in yourself. And number 3, celebrate your wins. So that was it. Those were my 3 points. Have a vision, invest in yourself, and celebrate your wins. Whatever it is that you are doing, I'm wishing you the best, and I'm believing in you. I believe in you. I trust that you can do it, and so make sure you go for it. And with that being said, I'm going to end the video here, and I'm wishing you a wonderful day, night, evening, dawn, wherever you are in the world, and I'll catch you in my next video. Okay, bye guys.